student here. So he'll tell me the silly acronym that helps us tell where they are positive and negative. All right, our first clue. Tangent of theta is negative. Put your finger on the two quadrants where tangent is negative. Show your partner. You should have these two quadrants, right? Tangent is positive here. That's all of them. And tangent is positive here. But I'm looking for negative, so I should be in one of these two quadrants. Let's look at the other puzzle piece. Cosine is what? Negative. Put your fingers where cosine is negative. Show your partner. Cosine is positive in these two quadrants, so cosine is negative in these two quadrants. Class, which one is the only one that has both of them? Quadrant 2. So our answer is quadrant 2. So if you're drawing a picture here, I want to draw it proportional because I have graph paper. Then you're asking yourself, you need to find sine and secant, and I have to draw a triangle here. And tangent, partner A tell partner B, what is tangent in terms of x, y, and r? Ready, set, go. What is tangent in terms of x, y, and r? Mia, tangent in terms of x, y, and r? Iser? Gabriel? We're stepping on coral. We're stepping on coral. Ilea? Everyone talk to your partner. 10 seconds. What is tangent in terms of x, y, and r? Ilea, tangent? Correct. Iser? Gabriel? Mia? You guys got to get good at that. Have a formula sheet or make index cards. Y over x. Here's the dilemma. The dilemma is the negative is in the middle, which means that the negative sign should be to either the numerator or denominator. The question is which one? Well, if I look at it, I'm in here in quadrant 2. I have to go left, then up. So if I go left, what is negative? The x value is negative. So my answer is going to be 1 over negative 3 for tangent of theta equals y over x. What does this tell us? It tells us I'm going to go negative 3 on the x-axis and then positive 1 on the y-axis, kind of a small triangle. And then we learned to draw our triangles last week using the bow tie. So in my triangle now, I have this. Here's theta. My y value is equal to 1. My x value is equal to negative 3. And I'm missing an r value. Partner B, tell partner A, how do I solve for an r value? Tell them the formula. Ready, set, go. Brandon, what formula were you using? Tell it to me. So let's just do substitutions class. We don't have an r value. X value is what? Negative 3 squared, y value is 1 squared. So r squared equals 9 plus 1. R squared equals 10. R equals the square root of positive or negative 10. Remember, your r value will always be what? Positive. In this problem, I'm asked to find sine and secant. Sine is y over r. Secant is r over x. So my y would be 1 over the square root of 10. Rationalize radical 10 over 10. Now, did you notice that sine is positive? And it should be because you're in quadrant 2. Secant is r over x, so radical 10 over negative 3. And this negative sign is going to become where the fraction line is, so negative radical 10 over 3. And that makes sense because secant in quadrant 2, only sine and cosecant are positive. Everything else should be negative. So here in this example, use your 2 clues, figure that out. Draw your x's and r's, make sure you have all the letters, and then all students take calculus, verifies where it's positive and where some are negative.